So immediately after Team USA won the Women's World Cup, the calls are getting louder and louder for equal pay for women footballers. And without a doubt, the US women's team is a far better performing and more successful team, and we understand now, a bigger earning team than their male counterparts, winning 4 of the 8 possible World Cup titles and 4 Olympic gold medals, while the men reached the World Cup quarterfinal once and never even qualified for the last World Cup. So in terms of their lawsuit against the US Soccer Federation, the women have a case, as the USA is probably the only country in the world where women's international football is bigger than men's international football. Unfortunately for the women, the same cannot be said about the game in the wider world, where there is no comparison. This just concluded Women's World Cup, for example, attracted approximately 555 million viewers. The Men's World Cup last year in Russia attracted some 3.57 billion viewers, more than 6 times the amount of the Women's World Cup. And if we agree that viewership and popularity are indices of money earned at this level of football, without even mentioning the big, rich male football leagues around the world, we of course support parity within the USA. But overall, the men's game is still king. Those are just the numbers and the economics of it, not the politics of it. Marvin, exit.